Good morning, students. Today, Thursday, I am your social science teacher in Vital Matriculation School. How are you, dears? Are you all happy? Yes, shall we start today's session? Today, we are going to see the book back answers of which we studied in the last class. Okay, let's go through with the summary first. Summary, last class we see about this one. The longest beach in the world is the Miami Beach in South Florida in USA. The second longest beach in the world is the Marina Beach in Chennai. இது வரைக்கும் we see in the last class, right? So now we are going to see the summary. Okay, summary is nothing but it is a recall of this lesson. Okay, the landscape is being continuously worn down by weathering and erosion. The landscape is being continuously worn down. This is what we studied in the first one, right? Here, landscape is being continuously worn down by two processes. What are they? Weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion. Likewise, the landscape is being continuously worn down by weathering and erosion. River, glacier, wind and sea waves are the major agents of exogenic forces. Endogenic, exogenic nu rendu paathom illaya last class. Likewise, exogenic has the major agents. What are the major agents in exogenic forces? River, glacier, wind and sea waves are the major agents of exogenic forces. From its source to its mouth, the river is constantly reshaping the land and giving rise to different landforms. From its source to its mouth, the river is constantly reshaping the land and giving rise to different landforms. The river begins to break up into number of streams are called distributaries. This is what we studied in the last class, right? Distributary, tributary. Distributary means a stream of branches off and flows away from the mainstream. Mainstream landa flow ஆகிறது தான் distributaries. The stream which flows away from the mainstream is called distributary. Is called distributaries. The river begins to break up into the number of streams are called distributaries. Okay, next one, deltas are excellent productive lands. Deltas are excellent productive lands. It is very productive. Which one is very productive? Deltas are excellent productive lands. Glacier is large body of ice moving slowly down a slope due to gravity. Due to gravity, glacier is large body of ice moving slowly down a slope, which is moving slowly down the slope. Glacier na paniparai. Glacier is a large body of ice moving slowly from the slope due to gravity. Moraines are glacial deposits. Moraines are glacial deposits. Wind is the active agent of erosion and deposition in deserts. Wind is a active agent of erosion and deposition in deserts. The sea waves deposit sediments of sand and gravel along the shores, forming beaches. The sea waves deposit sediments of sand. மண் அப்படியே படிஞ்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா, the sea waves which deposit sediments of sand and gravel along the shores, forming beaches. Next one, glossary. Glossary means meaning. Glossary. Gradation. The process of leveling we see already, right? Leveling process is called gradation. The process of leveling of highlands through erosion and filling up of lowland through deposition. சமநிலைப்படுத்துதல். It is a process of leveling. Leveling of highland and lowland. Leveling highlands through erosion and lowland through deposition. சமநிலைப்படுத்துதல். Weathering. What is weathering? Breaking and crumbling up of rocks on the earth's surface. Weathering means வானிலை சிதைவு. Breaking and crumbling up of rocks on the earth's surface. வானிலை சிதைவு. River mouth. The place where the river joins a lake or a ocean. The place where the river joins a lake or an ocean. ஆற்று முகத்துவாரம். ஆற்று முகத்துவாரம். Tributary. A stream or river that flow into and joins a main river. A stream or water which is flows into and joins into a main river, and it flows and joins into a main river is called tributary. துணை ஆறு. துணை ஆறு. Meander. Meander means it has many twists and turns forming large bends in the river. ஆற்று வளைவு. Twists and turns forming large bends in the river. ஆற்று வளைவு. Delta. What is delta? Large fan shaped sediments formed by river deposition. Large fan shaped sediments. Fan shaped sediments forming a delta. Large fan shaped sediments formed by river deposition. Delta. Cirque. The armchair shaped depression with steep steep-sided wall formed by glacial erosion. Cirque. The armchair-shaped depression with steep steep-sided wall formed by glacial erosion. Cirque. Barchans. Barchans. What is mean by barchans? Barchans means the crescent-shaped sand dunes. Crescent shaped means பிறை வடிவ மணல் குன்று. பிறை வடிவ மணற்குன்று. The crescent shaped sand dunes. Lagoon. Lagoon means a shallow stretch of water partially separated from the sea. We see in the today's one, here is a lagoon. It is a shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Okay, Chilika Lake in Odisha. This one is an example. Okay, the Tamil meaning of lagoon means Kayal. Tamil meaning of lagoon means Kayal. Okay. So my dear students, let's see about the book back exercises. Take page number 161. First one, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one. Is it clear, dears? First one, Dash is the deposition of river sediments along the foothills. The answer is என்னென்ன ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? பிளங்க் பூல், அலுவியல் ஃபேன், ஃப்ளட் பிளெயின், டெல்டா. The answer is B option, alluvial fan. Alluvial fan. Second one, Kutralam Falls is located across the dash river. Kaveri, Pennar, Chittar, Vaigai. Kutralam Falls எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம். We already studied. Kutralam Falls is located across Chittar River. Where it is located? It is located in Chittar River. CHITTAR, Chittar. Okay. அது மாதிரி இங்கே அலுவியல் ஃபேன் என்னது? ALLUVIAL, அலுவியல் ஃபேன். FAN, ஃபேன், அலுவியல் ஃபேன். ஓகே. Third one, the landform created by glacial deposition is dash. The landform created by glacial deposition is Cirque, Arid, Moraine, Tarn Lake. The answer is option C, moraine. MORAINE, moraine. Fourth one, large deposits of loess are found in. Large deposits of loess are found in USA, India, China, Brazil. The answer is option C, China. CHINA, China. Fifth one, landforms which are not associated with wave erosion. The landforms which are not associated with wave erosion is called dash. The answer is cliffs, seax, starks, beaches. Answer is D option, beaches. BEACHES, beaches. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Are you able to see this, dears? First one, the process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is dash. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is weathering. WEATHERING, weathering. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is weathering. Second one, the place where the river joins a lake or a sea is known as dash. River mouth. RIVER, river. Mouth, MOUTH, mouth. River mouth. The place where the river joins a lake or a sea is known as river mouth. Third one, Inselbergs are found in the dash desert in South Africa. Inselbergs are found in the dash desert in South Africa. Kalahari, KALAHARI, Kalahari desert in South Africa. Fourth one, a cirque is known as dash in Germany. Car, KAR, car. A cirque is known as car in Germany. Next one, fifth one, the longest beach in the world is dash. Miami. The longest beach in the world is Miami. M-I-A-M-I. Miami. The longest beach in the world is Miami. Next one, match the following. Match the following பாருங்க. First one, breaking and crumbling of rocks. Breaking and crumbling of rocks. First one answer, weathering. Breaking and crumbling of rocks, weathering. Second one, abandoned meander loops. Abandoned meander loops. Oxbow Lake. Abandoned meander loops, Oxbow Lake. Third one, large body of moving ice. Large body of moving ice, glacier. Large body of moving ice is glacier. Fourth one, crescent shaped sand dunes. Crescent shaped sand dunes is called bergchans. In the glossary also we see today crescent shaped nu vandale barchans. Crescent shaped sand dunes, barchans. Fifth one, Vembanad Lake. Vembanad Lake is in lagoon. Vembanad Lake, lagoon. Fourth Roman letter, consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. First one, assertion A. The deltas are formed near the mouth of the river. Reason are, the velocity of the river becomes slow when it approaches the sea. The answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are correct. Both assertion and reason are correct. The deltas are formed near the mouth of the river is correct one, and also the velocity of the river becomes slow when it approaches the sea is also correct. So answer is both A and R are correct. Option A. Okay. Next one, second one, assertion A. Sea arches in turn become sea stalks. Reason, sea stalks are the results of wave deposition. The answer is option B. A, assertion is correct and R, reason is wrong. The answer is option B. A is correct and R is wrong. Do you mark it? Fifth Roman letter, answer the following. Answer the following. First one, define erosion. Take page number 155. Take page number 155. Here, landforms அப்படிங்கிற டாபிக்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Fifth line, erosion is the wearing down of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, ice and sea waves. The three lines is the answer for the first question. Okay. Second question, what is plunge pool? Page number 156. Plunge pool is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Okay, the first two lines only. Fifth Roman letter, second question. Next one, third one, how are oxbow lakes formed? Page number 156. Due to the picture மேல இருக்கு இல்லையா, meanders picture மேல, due to continuous erosion and deposition along the sides of the meander. The ends of the meander loops come closer. In due course of time, the meander loop cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake, also called as Oxbow Lake. இது வரைக்கும் 5th Roman letter, 3rd question. Next one, 4th one. Name the major landforms formed by glacial erosion. Page number 158. The answer is circuarid U-shaped valley. You have to write only these 3 words is the answer. Okay, no need to write the paragraph. This one, circuarid U-shaped valley, are the major landforms formed by glacial erosion. Okay, 5th one, give a note on mushroom rocks. Page number 158. Here is the answer. Mushroom rock nu picture irukliya, adukku keela irukku. Winds erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. Therefore, such rocks have narrower base and wider top rocks in the shape of a mushroom, commonly called mushroom rocks. First 5 lines. Okay, 5th Roman letter, 5th question. Next one, what is a lagoon? Give an example. Page number 160. Here is the answer. Lagoon is a shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Example, Chilika Lake in Odisha is an example for lagoon. Lagoon is a shallow stretch of water partially or completely separated from the sea. Example, Chilika Lake in Odisha. Next one, 6th Roman letter, distinguish the following. First one, tributary and distributary. Distinguish between வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி போடணும்? You have to do like this. Separate into 2 parts and write the points here. Okay, box போட்டு தான் போடணும். சரியா? First one, tributary and distributary. Page number 156. இது மாதிரி தான் செப்பரேட் பண்ணி பிரித்து எழுதணும். Here is the answer. Tributary. First point, a stream or river that flows into and joins a main river. First point. Second point, example, Amaravati. Next one, distributary. A stream that branches off and flows away from the main stream. Second point, example, Kollidam. 6th Roman letter, first question. Okay. Next one, V-shaped valley and U-shaped valley. Page number 156. V-shaped valley. V-shaped valley. First point, the running water in the river erodes the mountainous track which creates a steep-sided valley like the letter V, known as V-shaped valley. Okay, wow, this V-shaped valley is answer. Next one, U-shaped valley. Here, U-shaped valley is found beneath the glaciers, which is deepened and widened by the lateral and vertical erosion. These 3 lines are the U-shaped valley. Okay, V-shaped valley, U-shaped valley, 1 point. Okay dears. Next one, third one, continental glacier and mountain glacier. Page number 157. Take page number 157. Continental glacier. First point, the glacier covering vast areas of the continent with thick ice sheets. Second point, Antarctica. Example, Antarctica, Greenland. Mountain glacier. First point, mountain glacier is a stream of ice flowing along a valley. It usually flows former river courses and are bounded by steep sides. Second point, example, the Himalayas and the Alps. From here to here, 6th Roman letter, third question. Distinguished type la answer எழுதணும் சரியா? Next one, give reason. 7th Roman letter, give reason. The ends of the meander loops come closer and closer. Page number 156. The answer is here. Due to continuous erosion and deposition along the sides of the meander, the ends of the meander loops come closer. It ends here. It is answer for 7th Roman letter, first question. Okay, give reason. Next one, flood plains are very fertile. Example, we should give the reason why. Page number 157. The answer is here. Picture ku kila parunga. At times the river overflows its banks. This leads to the flooding of the neighboring areas. As the river floods, it deposits layers of fine soil and other material called sediments along its banks. This leads to the formation of the flat, fertile floodplain. 7th Roman letter, second question. Page number 157. Next one, sea caves are turned into stars. Page number 159. The answer is here, sea cave, below sea cave. Okay, the 5 lines. These 5 lines are the answer for 7th Roman letter, third question. As the cavities of sea caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remains, thus forming sea arcs. Further, erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. These wall-like features are called sea stacks. Next one, answer in a paragraph. Explain different landforms produced by river erosion. Page number 156. The first 3 lines here. Mark the first 3 lines. The running water is a river. In the river erodes the mountainous tract which creates a steep-sided valley like a letter V, known as V-shaped valley. Detail the first question. And also these 2 lines. Falling of river water over a vertical step in the riverbed is called waterfall. And also this point, plunged pool is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall which is formed by cavitation. Alluvial fan is a deposition of sediment occurs at which the river enters the plain or the foothills. And also last one, as start panni Kadalur district. And also due to continuous erosion lende last one Oxbow lake varaikkum. Detail first one answer. Okay, this paragraph full varum. Okay va, detail la first one ku, and also these 3 lines, first 2 lines, and this paragraph. Detail la first one answer. Next one, describe the landforms associated with the wind. Page number 158. The answer is here. Winds winds erode. From the winds erode to the end, Barchans. Barchans varaikkum the answer. Okay. Winds erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. Therefore, such rocks have narrower base and wider top. Rocks in the shape of the mushroom, commonly called mushroom rocks. An associated residual hill standing like a pillar with rounded tops are called inselbergs. Example, inselberg in the Kalahari Desert of South Africa. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill-like structures. These are called sand dunes. The crescent-shaped sand dunes are called Barchans. This is detailed second one answer. Okay. Third one, how are arids formed? Page number 158. This paragraph. Okay. This paragraph is the answer for detailed third one. Cirque is a glacially eroded rock basin with a step side wall and steep head wall. In the paragraph full arid varaikkum, it is answer for detailed third question. Okay dears. Today your assignment is you have to write a distinguish between these three questions and answer. You have to write these three question and answer in the form of box type. Okay, this type you have to write the answer and send it in our group. Okay children. Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Okay children. Thank you. Have a nice day.